truck. I'm just going to take these front wheels off, and just so I can get in and clean the bulkhead. I'll put my hand in with a bucket of warm G101 there. Get my hand right in there. Spray all that with degreaser first. Right, spray that with the airline first. So what I'll do, take that here off, spray all that, and then the bulkhead. We'll get into the bulkhead and give that a degreasing. Clean down. I did all the front cross member yesterday. I'll maybe get another quick dish. I've left to do wires up. And I just try and get as much of the grease and dust and shaked off as I can. Get some of this grease stuff, spray that in about the bits, and then because it's so tight I'm just going to use a rag dipped in that G101 because my hands all cut to bits yesterday. Next wee job is open this tailgate. I take this panel off so that I can wax oil on the behind it. The tub and all that all been done when it was at the welders, but the tailgate wouldn't have been done. So maybe it has. I feel like I wonder if he's been in there. Take one of them off anyway, have a look. Right, I'm just taking these screws out. I should have asked the guy if he had them off, but I don't think he would have had any reason to have these ones off from the tailgate, so. There's a bash on the tailgate too, so I'll see if Dad can knock that out. They're coming out dead easy. Just going in and slackening them off. I'll do this, I'll take this one off and then we'll have a wee look inside. You got all that off the inspection panel. Oh, a bit of rust in there. That's good, we'll get that treated. And dust. I'm going to hoover that out. Gee whiz. Loads! Love doing that, right, I'm going to take both of them off so I can get right in all the corners. Right, other one off. I don't know. Still got one screw in it. Aye, well worth taking this off. I wonder if that's been like wax oil stuff in the dirt stuck to it. And from there, yeah, just the same. Yeah, not as much, but aye. I'll agitate all this and then we'll get the hoover and stick it out. Right, a lot of rust in here, but catching it just in time. I'm wondering if there's a drainer choked in the bottom. But I'll scoop this out now. I'll need to get some rust, anti-rust treatment in the bottom and even the condensations maybe. But can't tip it up, I can't bother going in to get the hoover, so I'm just scooping it out with my hands. I'll do this now. After that, I'll scoop most of that out. I can hoover the rest out later. Let's see if there's a drain in the bottom, feel it in my hand. Aye, that is just like a second skin. No, that's a blooming car I'm touching. Tailgate there. At the ends there's like drain holes, I bet they're choked. No, that's part of the hinge, is it? That's like a bar that goes through the bottom of that, eh? Who knows? That'll get rust treated anyway. Oh well. I can't see any sort of drain, so that would explain that. I'll get somebody who can see, have a look with me. I suppose I could just rust treat it and fill out the oil that bit. Then that would. Alright. I'm going to get a bed liner and do the inside of the tailgate and inside the tub. Tailgate could do with some paint on the bottom, just blend it in. Sort of rust treatment. Feels like there's a wee crack in it there. Hard to tell, eh? Is the paint coming off? It's starting to rust at the bottom, right? I think it's just starting to go. Right, treat that. Yeah, definitely. I need to get paint for the front anyway. Some of the cross member bits. Right, I'll probably buy the proper clips for the wire limb. And just where it runs along the front cross member at the bottom there. A couple of bits could do a wee bit of paint, so. Aye, the wire clips along there. That's brittle, same ones that got that wing. I'll probably do that there. Buy a pack of them, they're all burst. But aye. Cleaned up nice. So it is. On the bottom of the bulkhead there, done the bottom chassis line. Need to get some brake cleaner and finish it off. Still need to get the smaller fuel line for the return tape, but I'll get that ordered.